back to you guys with another vlog. It's Dominique here and
Audrey,
Nicole,
and we're going to be doing a slime challenge today. What's that slime challenge called?
Minute to Win It.
So it's called Minute to Win It, and we're gonna explain the rules to you guys once I stop driving right now. And I have a few tickets, so I gotta go. I'll show you guys a video of me crying, getting pulled over a few weeks ago. And yeah, I'm about to get my license suspended too. No, I'm just kidding. I just got pulled over and I'm crying so hard. I just got pulled over. That's not funny. I was at the restaurant with my cousin from Cali, and we just ate. While I was eating, the soy sauce splashed onto my eye. So like I can't really see with my left eye, so I'm driving with only one eye because I'm legally blind. I told you guys. So Audrey, what do you have to say about that?
Never ate with your friend.
What do you have to say to that? I should have never drove.
yeah, and past their house. Audrey had to tell.
Yeah, I was going to my cousin's house to pick something up, and I passed their house, and she's saying that I passed their house, and Audrey had to tell me.
And she never knew.
Yeah, I never knew. Wah, wah, wah. Say it.
Wah, wah, wah.
Hey guys. So I recently got these brand new pair of Yeezys. I got the butters. They're so nice. I got a size 7. Oh, 3. So they look really good. Like, I am obsessed with them. My friend Gino got me the plug to get them, and I'm so excited. Look at how clean they look. They look so good. Look at them. I am obsessed with these shoes. I have always wanted a pair, but like, I always was like, no, I'm not gonna try to get them and stuff, because like, you know how it's hard to get them? A lot of people like, you know, have to go to that bot, they buy a bot or whatever, but I got them, and I'm so excited. I think they're so cute. I'm gonna show you guys how they look. They look, they obviously don't look good with this outfit, but I like them a lot.
I don't. They look so ugly.
Really? What do you
They
think?
go good with the outfit.
They look good with this outfit?
Yeah, they
Thanks. And you're a hater. You're a hater. So I really like the way they look on me. And hey guys, so the challenge for today is gonna be called
Minute to Win It.
So, us three all have 1 minute to make the slime. So the ingredients to slime is
Shaving cream.
glue, clear glue, lotion, and these are 4 different kinds of paint. Wait, I don't know how to count. Can someone correct me? 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5. Wait, is that 6? No, that's 5. Okay, and then
We have glitter.
yeah, we have these 2 glitters. We're also gonna be putting, and
We got 6.
and
6. What are the sticks
Wooden
for?
to mix
to
it.
mix the slime.
Okay, well maybe you should tell them. How are they supposed to know?
And we got a bowl.
I have a bowl. Show your bowl.
And then we got containers of
these are
activator.
containers of activator. What exactly is activator?
It's laundry detergent to make the slime.
So we're gonna be eating laundry detergent.
What?
No, we're not.
To be honest, I have never made slime before, so they're gonna teach me how to make slime. Nicole, do you know anything about slime?
Yes.
Okay, so how do I make it?
Activator, shaving cream, glue. You can add paint if you want. You can add like glitter
So what is this shaving cream for? Are you gonna shave
to
your...
make it fluffy.
You're not gonna shave your beard?
I don't even have a beard.
Really? I see something right there.
Okay, we're gonna be doing slime, but the first round is gonna be plain white slime. And the second round is gonna be shaving cream with paint slime. And then the third round, you're gonna make your white slime with glitter.
Okay, so those are all 3 rounds. white slime. And we have 1 minute to see who makes the best slime. And then the second round is gonna be slime with color or shaving cream.
With color and
with color and shaving cream. And then the third round is gonna be the slime with shaving cream, paint, and glitter to add color. And we're gonna see who makes the best slime. So my mom is gonna be the judge of that, and she's gonna tell us who made the best slime. So we have 1 minute starting now. Go.
Hurry.
Go, hurry.
Nicole.
Hurry, okay. Here you go. So you said put a little bit? I've never made slime before, so this is my first time. Dude, it looks ugly. Oh my gosh, look how
Mine's
tiny.
working.
Mine isn't. Wait, check the time. We have 30 seconds left.
Okay.
How did you, dude? I don't know how to. Mine is like, ew. Mine is like liquidy. Dude, I think I messed mine up.
I think I can fix mine. But
I
not
just
in-
spilled it
Not in
everywhere.
that many seconds.
Ew. How do you fix it?
Oh, I'm fixing mine.
My hands are sticky. Ew.
It's working.
How? Audrey, what do you like? Dude, it's done. The timer's done.
Okay. I did mine. Okay.
How did you do it like that?
I put a little bit at a time.
Okay, it's not stopping. Okay, so I finally stopped it. So I think I'm the loser of this
I think
round.
I won.
I think Nicole made the best slime.
Yeah.
Nicole won. So she won the first round. I clearly lost. We made a mess all over the table. So tune in on the second round. What's the second round gonna be? Shaving cream?
Shaving cream and paint.
All right.
That's gonna be the harder round.
Okay, so this is round 2, and
We're gonna be doing shaving cream with the paint.
and the glue. So we have a minute once again. Wait. Okay, see the timer? Okay, start it. Yeah, we're using, oh, you're using clear? Okay, we're not. Okay, ready? Set, go.
Here.
Dude, I'm out of, wait, you guys are cheaters. That is not fair.
Okay.
Wait, do you have to put activator too?
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot. So, show them your colors so far.
I got teal.
Show them your colors. Oh, I don't
We got 35 seconds.
Oh my gosh. Show them. You have to show them. They can't see the table. So far, oh my gosh, I forgot to put the activator.
Oh, now activate. Oh, you just
Okay, so now mine looks like this.
How am I gonna do this?
Wait, we have 16 seconds.
Okay. I better go on with my hands.
Uh-oh. Wait, what if there's paint on my hand?
It's fine.
Oh no, there's 6 seconds left.
Yes, I'm almost done. This is so good.
Oh, mine isn't. Oh, mine is actually okay.
Done.
Done.
I think I added too much activator.
I think I did
mine good.
No, wait, okay, so this is my slime.
This is mine.
Okay, so my mom is gonna say who's the winner. Who do you think slime looks the
Audrey.
best?
Audrey's the winner.
Hey.
Then Nicole, then you.
So actually, to tell you guys the truth, this was my first time making slime, and so
Second.
second round, obviously. Okay. Now, wait, why did you choose them? Mine looks good.
Yeah, hers kind of good.
Audrey's looked good the first time.
Okay, look at mine. What is wrong with mine?
It took you a while for yours to look half as good as hers.
And
Okay.
feel this. It feels good.
Mine
It's
isn't
really
even
good.
sticky.
Okay, so
Yeah,
on
but
to
hers
the
is still
third
better.
round. Hey, what's the third round gonna be? Hey, every single ingredient. So tune on to the third round.
I need.
So this round we're gonna do the same thing as everything else, but instead we're gonna add glitter. So you have 7 seconds after sit. Sit. Shoulder tray. Okay, ready, set, go.
Here.
Oh my gosh.
You dropped the glue. Okay, I'm gonna mix my color. I want yellow this time.
I don't think I'll show.
Oh my gosh, the yellow's finished.
Okay, that's good.
Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm late. How much time?
Hurry. Oh, 36. Glitter. Mix.
I need blue glitter. Give me the blue.
Audrey! Nothing.
It's not important. Okay.
Where's the shaving cream? Give me the shaving cream.
18 seconds.
Dang it, 16. Now there's less.
Oh my gosh. How am I gonna do this? Dang it. Yes.
Yes, mine's pretty
Did you
good.
add glitter?
Yeah, I added glitter. So we don't really need my mom for this round. Clearly, we can tell who the winner is. Let me grab my phone. So there's kind of a mess over here. The glitter spill. Anyways, my mom is looking at me right now. So you guys seen the winner was Audrey, obviously. I
in
ruined
second
it.
place.
I clearly don't know how to make slime. I need lessons from these two. So thank you guys for watching on the minute to win it.
Slime challenge.
And I'd like to tell you guys thank you. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe down below. And tell me what other challenges you guys would like me to do. And this is Dom, and you're watching
The Domino Effect.